How to check meter reading on smart meter. You may have just received an email from your provider saying it's your final reminder to send a meter reading, asking for that. So how do you do it? First of all, you want to go into your cupboard, which should have like your energy meter, your boiler, that type of thing in your apartment or house. There you should be able to see the meter. It should look something like this. It might be slightly different, but you'll be able to see the number that is on the meter right there. What you want to do is have that number. It might be a 5-digit number, most of the time it is, but if not, it might be a different number in there for you. And what you're going to want to do is go on to your energy provider, your electricity provider's website. Go ahead and then click on the send meter reading part. Then you want to click on send reading, and then you want to type in the number and as well the reading dates too into the website or the app that you have on your phone. Then click send reading, and that's how you do the full process. So leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.